So I am here today to tell you about something about Reels, which Instagram has launched recently. Maybe आज ही उनका launch हुआ है, and I'm gonna just read something about it. What's currently going out with this reel? Reel is like same TikTok. After banning TikTok in India, now Instagram has launched its like own platform, which is Reels, which will be same like TikTok. Only there will be some changes. Currently, we have got some changes. Reels is currently testing in its testing phase in India. So basically, now they are testing in India, so they might give us free distribution. So organically, जैसे Instagram पे grow नहीं कर रहा है, likes नहीं आ रही है account पे, तो maybe Reel can give you that reach. That's what one thing I feel. Instagram has been testing Reels in Brazil, Germany, and France. Already they have done the testing in these countries, and Reels get a dedicated space on user profile page on Instagram. That's what I'm gonna tell you. जैसे IGTV था, accordingly same Reels will be another individual thing which you will be getting on Instagram, like your story. There'll be Instagram live. It will have a separate section once you enter the story. Then you will have your normal story, all that boomerang and all that stuff. And third will be Reels. In Reel, it will be you will have the same interface like TikTok. Like on the left hand side, you'll get all those the video timing, the music, adding music icon and such. And I feel it will give us a lot of reach, because now Instagram will be promoting Reels so that a lot of users come on Reel. टिकटॉक नहीं है ऑब्वियसली, तो सब लोग अभी रील्स पे आएंगे एंड इस पे आके वीडियोस बनाएंगे. स्पेशली जिनको लेंदी वीडियोस बनाने में प्रॉब्लम होता था, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, आई कैन जस्ट कीप टॉकिंग फॉर लाइक 5, 10, 15, 20 मिनट्स, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट जिनको प्रॉब्लम था वो लोग 15 सेकेंड्स में अभी कुछ बना सकते हैं. दिस इज़ लाइक ईजी. अगर यू फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू आर अ पेंटर और यू आर एन आर्टिस्ट, you can just make some sketches in 15 seconds, or you can cut a video in 15-second parts. So now this is possible on Reels. So let's see. Abhi now I am also just experimenting कि ये कैसे चलने वाला है. So right now I am creating this video just to make sure that I am active, and I am just searching out more things about it. Right now it is trending. There is one hashtag trending which is feel it, reel it. So you can also check this hashtag on Instagram. And that's it for today. I am just researching more, and once I get more information, I'll get back to you like as soon as possible. I'm also working on my another series which has like more than 30 plus episodes, but it'll take time. Patience guys, patience. You need to keep patience, and you need to be consistent about your uploads. So I'm just not rushing things. I hope by like the end of this month I'll be launching few episodes, and also I'll be trying to give some free tips and bonus tips about how to grow on Instagram, because I had my previous account which had 3,300 followers. So my journey from 0 to 3,300, I'll just explain it, so maybe some of you individuals can do the same and make a good reach on your Instagram account in 2020, because now it's getting very difficult than before. Now things have changed. So just stay tuned. I'll just try to make individual videos on Instagram in English, and it will be also in Marathi, because my main channel, my main primary language is Marathi. I'll try to put that too, because for all my Marathi brothers. So if you like this video, do share, do subscribe, do comment, and I'll make sure that within next week I'll just try to put another video on like completely dedicated to Instagram and Reels. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. Have a great